So
I think he did what he had to do after we talked to Grandma's funeral, and then he shot his load. Like, hey, let me ask now, because if I don't, I'm not going to get anything. And then when I said no, he kind of got the hint. Okay, and I don't think he's going to say anything else to me. So
I can't believe him. So she's just as bad, so I can't just blame him either.
yeah,
So,
it happens. What are you going to do? Nothing, right?
what can you do? I
Well,
kept
that's right.
I kept telling him that's one reason why I wanted to get shut down the business and that. Because I was losing money. He was making the same he was doing before.
Yeah.
Because I was paying by the day. So he worked 6 hours instead of working 8 or 10. He was making more money.
Still making money
Yeah.
for less outputs. Well, I told you were ridiculous for having them work with you anyway.
Yeah, but that was a decision me and Kathy made. Because I didn't want to work 5 days a week. Didn't have to work 5 days a week. Worked 4, made money, and everything else. Everything was happy until he started wanting to put the kids in Steubenville. Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I turned the volume down on the phone. See if that helps. He's,
Better for you?
yeah, a lot better. I think that's what the problem is. You were talking just fine there at the beginning, and then it seemed like it got louder and louder and louder.
You got me a little excited. I'm sorry.
Uh, is that what it was?
Yeah, talking about that dipshit.
So, I just wanted to see how it goes here. Those new earphones or microphones or earphones are a lot better. A lot of times me and her are out and she says something about my go through the helmet. It's so loud. Or the
Is
phone.
that the Sena system?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of it, I'll tell you that.
I'm not a big fan of your Cardo, however you say it.
Cardo.
I got these ones here, the Sena 5.0, and what a big difference. The video's better, the microphone is better, the earbuds are better. Keep watching it.
Yeah.
Keep watching, they'll probably come out with a newer version.
Well, of course, they're always going to.
Yeah.
I just don't. I got that Sena and that one full face helmet I have,
Yeah.
and speakers are terrible. Like, I got JBL speakers in my Cardo,
Yeah.
and I mean, it's amazing sound quality. So when I go from that to a Sena, it's terrible. Like, it's so noticeable. And also, I let Dwight use that helmet, and the microphone's not as good as my Cardo system either. So
Oh.
I can really tell the difference in the two units.
Well, that's what I would agree with you too. I think what the Sena and Harley made his 5.0 a lot better, like the Cardo. Because like I said, it was bad. I was watching some of the videos that me and you did down there in Georgia. I can't even hardly hear you on the video. And then, you know, uh, it just me talking. I don't talk very good as it is, but it was more mumbling and how do you want to say confusing.
Yeah.
Uh,
So you have a full face on right now?
yes, sir.
Okay.
When it's cool like as I wear it, plus with the camera, I can't. Uh, camera won't work on the other one, or the mics don't work on the other one. So I'm gonna stop here and grab a pack of cigarettes before we go home. So you got a long ways.
Yeah, I'm good, man. You have a good night. I just calling you chatting. So.
Okay, I'm almost home. I gotta run from Dorsey's here, East Springfield, to home. So
Yeah.
all right, talked.
Okay. All right. So no golfing, man.
Well, according to what he said, no.
Okay.
Uh, I don't really care what we do, just as long as we have to do something. So, I mean, and the boys, they always find something to do. So,
Yeah, we have plenty we can do.
Don't hurt me.
so
Don't
All
come
right.
you on a motorcycle.
why not? All right, I'll talk to you later, Jay.
Later. Bye.
Bye. No, but we're heading down to Georgia to see my son. He wants to go golf down there this weekend, so see what happens.
I hit a ball up there about 50 yards and two left.
Do love a pack of Eagle Red shorts. Yeah, yeah. Okay. No, thanks. You too. Well, I don't